2005 Kenworth T300 with a 2,800 gallon 2-compartment aluminum tank. Stock number 058057. We have a 2005 Kenworth T300. Has a C7 cat at 250 horsepower. Has a 6-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. Power steering, air brakes, air conditioned, cruise control. Has an 11R 22 5 tires on aluminum buds. Has one 50-gallon aluminum fuel tank with a block heater. Tank is a 2004 Amthor 2,800 gallon 2-compartment aluminum. Compartment sizes are 1900 and 900. It's DOT 406. Has a 2.5-inch Blackmer pump. Has a 2-inch Neptune meter and register with auto stop. Ticket printer. Has an electric hose reel with around 120 feet of 1 3/8 hose with a Scully nozzle. It's cable operated internal valves. Also a 2-inch pump off line on the right side. Toolbox on the driver's side. Again, we have a 2005 Kenworth T300 with a 2,800 gallon 2-compartment aluminum tank. Stock number 058057. If you'd like more information, please give us a call at 865-524-5678 or visit us online at www.petroleumtrucks.net.